You eat a peach, but what happens next inside your body will shock you. The moment peach enters your mouth, digestion begins. Chewing breaks it down, activating enzymes instantly. Your body pushes it downward automatically. Stomach acids break peach into usable fuel. Nutrients enter your system through the intestine. They travel through your blood, reaching every organ. Nutrients support your heart and circulation. Your brain receives energy and focus signals. The liver processes nutrients for balance. Proteins support muscles, immunity strengthens. One peach and your entire body reacts.